everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Snapchat username. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming update from us. Go and tap open your Snapchat application from your app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. Once you are, tap on your profile emoji at the upper left hand corner of the screen and this will take you to your profile page. Now, from this page, tap on the gear button located at the upper right hand corner of the screen and then, right where you can see username, give it a tap. Tap on change username right beneath your username. It says that your username can only be changed once a year, so go ahead and tap on continue button in order to change your username. Make sure to choose a username that is unique and only you are the one who is using this username for Snapchat. If the username is already taken, you won't be able to change your username. Once you've selected a username that is valid, you'll be able to see this label right here that says this username is free, and simply tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen, type in your password for your Snapchat account in order to confirm that it is you who's changing your username. Finally, tap on the confirm button at the bottom, and once you do that, confirm your username change by tapping on confirm one more time. That is how you can easily change your username for your Snapchat account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.